It's time to leave the leaves for insects and wildlife, the trees, and the climate. Our beautiful fall leaves create habitat for overwintering caterpillars, our native bees, and lots of other insects, as well as amphibians, and they provide opportunity for food for birds. Leaving leaves creates a nutrient cycle, and last year's leaves feed the tree as they decompose and turn into next year's leaves. Throughout the winter, as the temperatures drop, these leaves also create an insulating layer between the roots closest to the surface of the soil and the outside environment. Leaving the leaves also helps with carbon sequestration and building rich soil. Knowing this, what can you do? We'd love to introduce you to soft landings. This is the idea that as caterpillars of our moth and butterfly species who have spent the season up in the trees fall to the ground in the autumn, they're cushioned by a blanket of fallen leaves, and there's habitat and a safe space for them to overwinter. This means that you'll need to leave natural levels of fallen leaves under your trees, and you can make it neat by adding fencing or a clear defined edge. If you're worried about leaves lasting too long in your yard, remember that most leaves decompose by early next season. When leaves land in places where they can't create habitat like lawns and paths, they can be mowed in place to create natural mulch for your yard, or they can be raked and bagged up for composting. So let's make space to let those leaves fall. They'll do the work for us, and we can enjoy where they land.